And hello and welcome to episode 73 of the Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be showing an exercise that is it's actually pretty simple, at least in concept. And to explain it is pretty simple too, but getting it up to speed and coordinating it properly is really tough. I think it's a great exercise, and it's one that I do myself from time to time, just to try to keep up skills and just kind of clean up coordination between the hands and muting also. So we're basically going to do a good old E minor, good old first position, good old pentatonic scale. But it's pulling off. It's pulling off in succession. So here's what I'll do. I'll do it very slowly first. So you're just going to be fretting a note and then pulling off, starting up high and going down. Okay, so on the high E string, 3rd fret to open, B string, 3rd fret to open, G string, 2nd fret to open, D string, 2nd fret to open, A string, 2nd fret to open, low E string, 3rd fret to open. So, okay. So when this gets tricky is to try to increase in tempo. And also, what you can do is just do parts of this and repeat it. So like just the first top 2 strings. And the thing is, you don't want to let it just ring out. You want to stop it cleanly. So you're kind of muting with your right hand as you go between. And then try 3 strings. And then 4. And then all the way down. Okay? So it's really good just for, you want to get it super, super clean, have all the notes be the same volume, and make sure you're muted so it's not just a big mushy mess. And then you can do hammer-ons as well, just reversing the process. So starting with the open E string, hammer on the 3rd fret, open A string, hammer on the 2nd fret, open D string, hammer on the 2nd fret, open G string, hammer on the 2nd fret, open B string, hammer on the 3rd fret, open E, hammer on the 3rd fret. So and then come down again with the pull-offs. So again, going up. Okay, and then coming down. And again, your right hand is just sweeping through the strings because your left hand is doing all the work. You're picking the first note of each on each string, just the first note, and the second one is either a hammer-on or a pull-off. So I find that coordinating the right hand perfectly with left hand is really, really a tricky thing, even though it's a very easy concept, a very easy kind of thing to fret. So again, going up and down, and down, like that. And you really want to have it rhythmically be very, very even, like I kind of rushed partway through there. You want it to be really, really even. And again, going just part way, even with the hammer-ons, just try the first couple strings, and then the bottom 3, and 4. Just repeat that, and it can help to maybe mute the strings a little bit. It'll get your fingers moving really quickly and get used to the hammer-ons and pull-offs, which are so important to playing. So I hope this is useful to you. Again, it's sort of a pretty simple looking exercise, but I find to be really good for coordinating and just getting things really clean. So I hope it's useful to you. As always, thanks so much for watching.